Order entry isn't what it used to be. The new normal involves automating all sales order entry except for most of the complex B2B sales orders. And if your company isn't doing this, it's already falling behind. The best order entry software replaces manual workflow with automation, which includes intelligent defaults that know your customer, including credit terms, currencies, and automated preferences such as freight handling. Then there's speed. Even if you have hundreds of thousands of records, the best systems balance intelligent multi-field lookups from your inventory or even your vendor's inventory across SKUs, descriptions, customer part numbers, and custom fields all in parallel and all under 1 second. Single-click memorized templates based on purchase history is another big time saver because it turns a tedious reorder task that can take minutes into a process that takes a few seconds. And finally, if you want to avoid downstream transfer orders, you'll need an inventory grid with insight into what's available, maybe while still negotiating with a customer on the phone. If you're watching this on YouTube and want to learn more, click on the link in the description. Otherwise, if you're on our website, click the Contact Us button and schedule a discovery meeting with a Biz Automation expert.